Guys, so we're gonna see how this goes. So I'm doing my makeup for my birthday dinner tonight. Damon and I are gonna have dinner out on the beach. So we are so excited. So I thought I'd just do kind of a simple look, a little glowish. And yeah. So first I am, let me move my mirror out the way just a little bit. Going in with my NYX Shine Killer. So I talk about this in my kind of vacation beauty and makeup must-haves. Okay, just like that, my brows are done. I literally have no brows at all, so it's like the first thing I do to shape my face. Okay, so then I went in with my Shine Killer by NYX, and then I also went ahead and put on my Pure, it's like a correcting primer. Yeah, just didn't capture that because Damon was walking back and forth while I was recording it. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Fenty Beauty. My cap is really dirty, but for my foundation. I'm going to go in with a little bit more just to make sure my spots are covered. I started putting on my 420. I didn't get that dark yet, I don't think. Next, I'm going in with some concealer. This is just the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer, and this is in the color 360. Take my beauty blender. I like to travel with it in a little case. So this trip has been amazing so far. Everyone has been just so sweet with it being my birthday and like Damon and I's first time at the resort. So to say that we thoroughly enjoyed it is just kind of an understatement. We really loved it. And I'm so sad to be going back home tomorrow. Alright, I'm just going to smooth out everything up. We'll just wipe my lips. Next, we're going to go in with a little bit of setting powder. So I guess this is basically like a Fenty tutorial. I'm going in with the color Banana. Then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. This one just has a little bit of old setting powder on it. I'm just going to make sure that everything is smooth and blend it out. Alright, next I'm going to give myself a little bit of a bronze and contour. So I'm going in with the Black Radiance Complexion palette. So I'm going to use both the contour and the sculpt. And just go in here to give myself a little bit. And then give myself the contour helmet. And then my chin a little bit. And I'm going to take a flatter brush. Looks like this. Same thing, but very light. Go in and just slightly shape up my nose just a little bit. I think next I'm going to start on my eyes. So I'm going to do something just, okay, this is my Jaclyn Hill number 30. I'm just going to go in, this is the Desi X Katie Francation palette. What is this? I'm going to go in with Necessary and just kind of put that messily in my crease. I'm gonna take a smaller one and then go in with Churro. And just focus that more on just the outer corner of the crease. Now the fun part, I'm going to take a little bit of Just a Kiss and I'm just focus that on the inner third of my eyelid. I lied, it's so pretty, I'm going all across. Keeping it light, go back in with my big fluffy brush and go back in with just Necessary. And just make sure that it's all blended out. Just like that. Simple eye. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Becca, Chloe, and Malika BFF palette. I don't know what this is. I'm going to take these two bottom colors. And I am cheek, and I'm actually going to take it over the nose to the other cheek. And this is just going to give me more of a sun-kissed, rosy look. I'm going to take a flatter top brush and go in with, I think, Chains. I don't like this brush. Yes, this one. This is my Jaclyn Hill 48. Going in with Chains. I'm going to just go against the lash line up here. I'm gonna take Churro and take that to the bottom lash line. So the eyes are pretty much done. I'm just gonna add some lashes. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Glow Powder. I'm just gonna take a little brush, and tap off the excess, and I'm basically gonna put this everywhere. But the high parts of my cheeks, definitely. Look at the glow. And on this side too. I like my chin. You usually wouldn't my forehead, since we're going sun-kissed. This is the only product that I put on my forehead. It just kind of gives it a natural. I'm gonna go a little bit underneath the brow, and this can all be messy. And I tell you, it just looks natural. And I just took a little bit on my finger, got it on the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to take the brush and do this thing. Top of the lip. And just like natural glow. And because we're over the top and it's my birthday, I'm also going to go in with the Desi X Katie Chasing the Sun highlighter. And just a little bit. Just a little bit extra there, and a little bit on my nose. So that, I think we're done. All right, now I'm back with lashes and setting spray. So I'm just gonna take some Ardell Wispy lashes. I have no idea if these have a number. I wanna say usually they're like the 110 something, kind of like that. No, not the 110. The 110s are the natural. I have no idea. But they're slightly tapered. They're not, I usually like the ones that are higher in the center, but these get higher at the ends. but it's okay. It's all right. A little bit of our Duo Lash Glue. All right, so lashes are on. Yeah. All right, the last step would just be to set my face. So I use both the MAC Fix Plus in matte, and I'm gonna go in with the the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So I'll do both. Okay, I lied to you, that is not the last step. The very last step is for me to do my lashes, put some mascara on. I like to do this at the very last because when I do the setting spray, sometimes it'll leave some mascara underneath my eyes or on top of my lid. So this way, I can make sure I am error-proof. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I'm gonna take my headscarf off, make sure my hair is dry, and then I'm gonna get dressed. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. We'll show some clips as we're headed out to dinner. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye, guys.